Hi, this is a lovely hip opening stretch. So you want to sit on a couch or a chair, preferably something firmer than a couch, and sit right forward. And then you're going to get your leg and stick it up. Now, if you can't even get your leg in this position, this is your starting point, all right? So if you can't get it there, then you straighten somewhat this leg and see if you can lift it up. So it's really important that you don't feel that deep pain in your hip or your knee when you do this. And ideally you'll work your way to being here. Then what you're going to do is draw that foot in without increasing any pain in your knee and push this leg down. So what can happen is your pelvis can want to tilt, but you want to keep both sit bones really even on the chair. Okay? Used to have a lot more flexibility here. Depends what activities you do. So if you do running and more cardio stuff, you will stiffen up around your joints. So I'm just pushing down, and then it's really important actually to slide your hand to the undersurface and now use your muscles in this leg that you're stretching to push down into that hand. So now you're doing a fight underneath. You're sitting up nice and tall, by the way, and then do your fight on top, push down, push down, push down. And do your fight underneath. Let's do the other side just to even ourselves up. So you bring your leg up and over. Make sure you're sitting evenly on those sit bones and draw yourself in quite comfortably. So now the first thing, you go for the stretch. So my top hand here, my left hand is pushing down to give me that stretch without twisting my pelvis. And then you do your isometric, your resistance underneath. So my knee is now pushing into my hand pushing up, neither is winning. Just really, really pushing hard. And then the other way, just stretching it down. So the work here is keeping nice and square. And then the other side, and push down, push down. Hold down there.